What's up guys? Today we are all the way in the northwest of Las Vegas, and if you're looking for a modern home, definitely recommend watching this tour. Today we are in the community of Alder at Tri Pointe by Tri Pointe Homes, and for today's property tour we're going to be checking out plan number 2, and I'm super excited to show you guys this home. Also guys, if this is your first time to my channel, what I do in my channel is I preview and tour all the new construction homes as brand new communities open up, or even like quick move-in homes. So if that's something you're interested in, whether you like just looking at homes like I do, or maybe you're interested in possibly purchasing a home, whether you're here locally, out the state, then subscribe to my channel and also tap that bell for notifications. That way, when I do upload these tours, guys, you guys receive the notification and always stay up to date with all the new construction here throughout the Las Vegas area. Now let's get started. All right, guys, so here we are in the community of Alder at Tri Pointe by Tri Pointe Homes. And for today's tour, we are going to be checking out plan number 2. And this one right here is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms. It is 2,350 square feet, 2-car garage, and starting base price for this one is $539,000, and that does not include your lot premiums or any upgrades. Lot premiums here range from $0 to up to $10,000, and upgrades, well, it kind of just depends on you guys, but good estimate I always like to tell people is at about 10 to 15%. I'll give you a rough estimate, because at the end of the day, guys, it just depends on you. Maybe you just want to put $20,000 in upgrades, I don't know. So, but on average, that's what we see, 10 to 15, so I like to give that number. HOA here is $81 a month, gated community. And there was also 4 different floor plans. I just did a property tour on that one. If you want to check it out, I'll have the link on your top right-hand screen. But there is a total of 4 different plans, including this plan number 2 that we're going to be checking out today. Also, they are going to be building 156 homes here in this community. To give you a reference of where we're at, guys, we're in the northwest of Las Vegas off the 95 in Tri Pointe, heading to Mount Charleston, right over there towards the mountain, guys. So typically what we do see in this area, guys, it is cooler because we are higher elevation, but really beautiful day here today. Cannot complain. Also, I know I mentioned those lot premiums, 0 to 10,000. If you are looking to possibly maybe have an oversized lot, they do have those, but those are probably going to be in the range of $30,000 to $65,000, guys, just to give you a rough idea. So really quick, let me go on the other side of this gate and go around so I could show you the inside of plan number 2. That one is going to be the 3rd smallest home. This one, plan number 1, is going to be the smallest floor plan. So it goes in order, right? So plan number 1 smallest, and then gets a little bigger. Plan number 2, then plan number 3 gets a little bigger. Then plan number 4 is the biggest floor plan that they do have here available in this community. So check out this exterior right here. Really modern, guys. So like I said, if you're looking for a modern home, definitely check out Tri Pointe Homes. They're, I would say, still affordable, guys, and really beautiful homes. Let's check it out. So I know this one has a courtyard, so depending on the elevation you guys go with, guys, so meaning what elevation means, 3 different looks on your exterior. So let me kind of just give you an idea, right? So right here, plan number 2, guys, let me see. Pull my cheat sheet, see? So elevation A, you got the 539, 544, and 546 for plan number 2. So let's go inside this bad boy and check it out. I do love the courtyard. Obviously, they do have this little waterfalls here going on right here right now. But look at this entryway right here. Really nice. Also, before we walk inside, keep in mind, guys, these are model homes, highly upgraded, guys. You're not gonna get everything you see because, builders typically put out their best product. They wanna make you fall in love, right? They tell you the price. All right, so let's check out this foyer. Let me look up. I wish it didn't have, maybe that's an option, but maybe not have a pony wall right there and have, actually nice staircase rails, really nice. Maybe that's something could change, but that's just something I'm pointing out. That's just my 2 cents, guys. So if you check out over here, living room to go upstairs. This is where we just came in, the back door. Give you a view from here real quick. Really beautiful. Let me show you this closet real quick. Coat closet and nice storage here underneath. So this one right here, check out what we have over here if you come into the left. So you'll have your powder room right here. Then right here, you have a den downstairs. Perfect for, a lot of people, especially now, seems like a lot of people work from home. This would be maybe a nice option. Really nice. I do love the flooring, really nice. I don't know about this green right here. Not a big fan of that green. That's just my 2 cents. Don't listen to me, guys. I know you just want to see the home. But here's your living room, guys. 9-foot ceilings here downstairs. Good sized living room. You got, you got 1 window there, 2, 3. You got your slider, more windows over there. So plenty of natural sunlighting. Then right behind me, you got the dining and your kitchen area. Really nice kitchen, I really like it. So over here, you got your separated dining, which I like. How it kind of has its own designated area. Really good size. If you see what you got, 2, 4, 6 dining table set right there. Then your kitchen. So this one has plenty of cabinets. Nice size island as well. Quartz countertop, seats 4 people. Then you got your sink on the island, your stove. Got this nice tile backsplash. Like I said, guys, a lot of this stuff is upgraded. Got your dual stainless steel undermount sink. Got your dishwasher. That door is to the garage. Not gonna check it out because it is locked. But here's your kitchen, guys. What do y'all think? And then right over here, it's really good sized pantry. I can see it already. I actually haven't even walked this floor plan here just yet. I know they have it in different communities. But sometimes they switch little things around. So as I'm checking out this home with you guys, this is my first time previewing, at least here in this community of Alder. So pretty excited. So if I get caught off guard, something, we're gonna see it together. All right, so now let's go check out the backyard. Keep in mind, guys, the landscaping in the see today, you're not gonna get none of this, just a clean slate, just dirt. But sometimes, what Tri Pointe does is sometimes they do landscape them and sell them as a quick move-in. So don't count on it, but I always like to tell people, get a clean slate, and if it's not a clean slate and it's completed backyard, then it's a bonus right at that point. So I just don't like to get people's hopes up saying you're gonna get a backyard like this, because realistically you're not. But let me show you here, your backyard, good size. These, I would say this is like your standard size. I do love how it's a covered patio. Standard size, I don't know, maybe about 18, 20 feet from the back of that wall to the fence. And like I said, here the lots range from possibly no lot premiums to up to 10,000 Or if you want that, the oversized, they do have some with their pretty big lots, guys. And those are ranging from 30 to 65,000. All right, so let's go back inside and now check out the second floor. And if you guys are enjoying this property tour, guys, do me one huge favor, guys. Like the video, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications if you don't want to miss any upcoming tours. Let me lock it. I'm struggling to lock it. But check this out, guys. This is really nice. See, it does have that pony wall right there. Wish it didn't. I don't know, maybe that is something, you know, we could they could change, but let's go upstairs. Also, guys, if you guys are interested in new construction homes and looking to have an awesome agent like myself, which I hope you do, and I'm just kidding though, but maybe you don't have an agent, or maybe you already do, guys. This is super critical. Still, you know, I still like to let you know this, that if you do come to these communities, guys, just make sure that we come with you guys. Because if we don't, the builder is not gonna allow you to have your own outside representation, especially Tri Pointe. They're pretty strict on that. So just make sure we come along with you on the initial visit, guys. That way, you know, the agents, don't get me wrong, guys. They are super awesome, good agents. At the end of the day, guys, who do they work for? The builder. And unlike me, guys, I'll work for you. You know, my role is to ensure at the end of the day, guys, you guys secure the best deal, sidestep any common pitfalls, and protect your interests every step of the way, guys. So if you guys would like a seasoned realtor by your side, and I hope it's me, reach out to me anytime, guys. Here to help. I will have my contact information down below, so give me a call, shoot me a text. So let's just make this exciting journey smooth, savvy, and fun for you guys. But check out this upstairs, guys. I do like how it does have a loft, really nice. And let me actually move around over here. But oh man, I love this natural lighting that's just coming in here through these homes. And it all due to the windows they have. Look how many windows. And here's the downstairs. Let me know if you agree with me. I mean, I know a lot of people love that natural sunlight to come in. Don't get me wrong, some people do like it dark, but most of my clients ask for natural sunlight to come in. Look at these guys. Man. So first, so right over here, we have bedroom number 1. And I do look at those windows, guys. Look how bright it is in here. I mean, maybe you can't see it on camera, but it is really bright in here. Obviously, you know, they don't have blinds. I mean, pull down at least. So it is really bright. But here's the first bedroom. And then right over here, the closet. Walk-in closet. So, I didn't show you this, but linen closet. So now let's walk on to this side. So then right here, so you got the second bedroom, and then here to the left, bathroom, then laundry room. Ooh, I just got shocked. Here's your hallway bathroom. Check it out. Nice. Slow view of it. Steady camera, and then right over here you got the shower. Get on this side so you can see it good. Man, really nice. Love it. Okay, now bedroom number 2. Look at this. This one's not as bright because next door you have a house and just like one window. It's still pretty bright. And then your closet. I'll tell you what, Tri Pointe, man, they do build some beautiful homes. Not just to hype them up or nothing, guys. I love all builders, but they are definitely one of my favorite builders that are still in an affordable price range. But here's your laundry room, smart panel box, washer and dryer not included, guys. But if you have an awesome realtor by your side, we could possibly negotiate that for you. No promises, guys. but we'll do our best. And then right over here is the primary bedroom. Man, this is a good sized primary. Look at those nightstands, guys. Those are like 4 feet nightstands on each side. King size bed. And I mean, that bed actually looks small in this room. You got 1, 2, 3 windows here. Let me give you guys a view from this angle. Also, I'm not sure if I mentioned 9-foot ceilings here on the second floor. Then, actually before then, let me show you the community. Look at this, guys. I haven't even had a completed home yet, other than these model homes, but look at those mountain views. Really beautiful. And right over here, you have your primary bathroom. Check it out. Look at that. We'll kind of try to stay away from that speaker because it's playing music, and when I upload these videos, it flags my video as if I put that song on my videos, and that's not the case. So, linen closet, but I don't know. This is a little. I wish I could have just gone across, maybe put like a makeup station in between, maybe hire that window. I don't know, but what do you guys think of how this layout is right here? Are you a fan of it? Are you not? I'm not gonna say too much until I say too much of what I think, but I'll leave it to you guys, what you guys think. Then right over here, you got the combination, your bath and stand-up shower. And then, last but not least, your closet. Look at this, guys. Definitely upgraded closet, guys. You're not gonna get something like this, but unless, you know, you pay the bucks, upgrade it. But for the most part, you're just gonna get like a standard closet. But really beautiful, good size. Well, this completes this property tour, guys. Let me know in the comments below your thoughts about it. You like it, you don't, drop it, anything negative, positive in the comments below. Also, guys, if you guys would like to come check out this community, let me know. I will have my contact info below. Let's schedule something, come see it in person, and that's when you really will know if you like it or not once you see it in person. Because sometimes it is hard to kind of see it on camera, but it's nothing like coming in person and getting that feel, how it feels for you. That's how you'll know if it's the right home for you. Or maybe you're not looking to this plan, maybe this community. We could look at other floor plans or other communities, resell homes, looking to sell homes, guys. I can help you in different ways, guys, not just new construction. So reach out to me. We'll definitely love the opportunity to earn your business and be by your side, whether you're looking to buy new, resell, or looking to sell. Love to be your agent of choice. And do me a huge favor, guys. There's one thing you guys could do for me. Like this video and subscribe. And if you don't want to miss any future property tour, guys, then tap that bell for notifications. That way you receive the notification when we do upload these property tours. Till next time, guys.